You understand? You are in the presence of a king.
Happy Sunday, everybody. How y'all doing? Well, first of all, I want to give a special shout out to Abandoned Boys for getting his 1,000 subscribers. And he has a special guest who would like to be his guard dog one day, when he needs one, when he get out in the woods. And I'd like you to introduce you guys to China. She's stuck, I believe. China! Listen, guys. Here's Miss Beautiful. Say hi, China. Are you going to tell the Abandoned Boys congratulations? China. All you got to do is whistle. Come here, China. She's saying, what's up? Say, what's up, China? China, you want some milk and cookies? Y'all see she done built a hole in her swimming pool. She's mad because we put her out here because, she's getting a little too big to be in the house. So, but anyway, this is China. Today's her day. She just want to get on some YouTube and say, hey. Say hello, China. And guys, I know it's been a moment. I haven't had the chance to upload like I want to. And I see all the clap backs and clap ups, but... I'm like this. If you got something negative to say, be a person and come on the channel and let's talk about it, resolve it, and move on. But other than that, China just want to say happy Sunday, me too. And also, Abandoned Boys, congrats on that 1K. But here in North Carolina, it's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be getting a storm, and here it is. It's supposed to be 85 degrees, and tomorrow it's going to be 50. That's crazy pneumonia weather, I guess. China. I think she's stuck. Are you stuck, China? But anyway, happy Sunday to y'all. And been doing homework, working on that. My degree going to Australia University, which is criminal justice and forensic science, computer analyst. So I've been going to school, and then also I'm working on another grad. I knew she got stuck, guys. Oh my God. And you guys see how she done put? Look at her. She just want to play. She's saying, hey, y'all. She learned some new tricks. And her mom, guys, had puppies last night. So it's been a long night. I think we count 15. And China's just so happy. She's so happy. She all do, she just cry for her mom. Dogs, when they cry or they want some attention, to go. She trying to say, how you doing? Are you my friend? Yes, I'm her friend. She look at that. Come on your feet. Yay. She's so smart. I love her. But this is my best friend, China. When I want to just get away from the world, I'll just come out here and play with her. And her and I have the best time. Don't we, China? Say hi, China. Say hi, China. China. China, tell everybody happy Sunday. Say happy Sunday. Say hi, China. Yeah, we're just chilling. Guys, I just want to talk about China going to be doing her own channel. We're going to call it Dogs Are Us. And you see how excited she is? China, see, I'm the main star. And I got some brothers and sisters you guys going to see, and my mama. She look like me. Well, she's lost a lot of weight. And I see 15 of my brothers and sisters. I'm so ready to play. I gotta clean myself, get ready for my brothers and sisters so we can play. But China, oh God, they're all so small. That's why I'm back here. Because my master said I may hurt my brothers and sisters, but guess what? We're so excited to bring you a little sample of the premiere of Dogs R Us. I like to bite my shoe because I'm still teething. But guess what? Look at my eyes, guys. And look what I can do with my old Nike from my master's shoe. She used to play ball and the soles came off. And then she just gave me this Nike today. And yummy, it is so good. And it's so soothing to my teeth. And then I can shake it up, guys. I'm going to show you. Oh, no. I just want to show you my eyes and say, hey. Happy Sunday. Peace.